Siquijor, Philippines. Took a ferry from Dumaguete and we're about to enter the port, so it should be pretty fun. Check it out. Landed in Siquijor. Look how clear the water is. Look at the colors. This is just the port. So the goal is walk through the first part of the city and try to rent a scooter. Should be very interesting. Hopefully it's not too expensive. The goal is to rent for 3 days. I already Googled a few places for rentals based on the reviews. I know where we're going to go. So this is the part once you leave. Hello. Hi, hello. This is the part once we leave the port where everyone's going to be very interested in giving me a ride somewhere. Hear him saying, "Sir, motorbike, motorbike, motorbike." We want to walk past all of the people that are trying to flag us down for a motorbike. We'll go to the actual destination where the motorbikes are, because the goal of most of these people holding the signs over here is to possibly so the goal of most of them is they'll basically just take you to where the motorbike rental place is and make potentially a small commission. No, thank you. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Yeah, they'll just take you they'll take you there to make a small commission, basically. Hi. Okay.
Good one.
Thank you.
Motorbike.
All good.
350 only. 24 hours. Good motor. Click. Okay. There. Where are you going?
Just walk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can, much better you rent a bike. Because it's, anywhere you go, you can go in the island. Yeah, very cheap.
Thank you.
I'll give you 300 for the motorbike.
It's okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, picture.
300.
All good. Hey. Hello.
Guys.
Hello.
Motorbike.
So now that we made it through that, let's try not to get hit by a car. Welcome to Siquijor. So this is one of the oldest churches in Siquijor. This noble project. Interesting. So yeah, this is basically the destination where we're gonna rent from. All those people flagging us down, their goal was to basically just take me here. Which is cool, it's helpful I guess, for people that, I don't know. Hi, do you have rentals? Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
I'm Christopher.
Hi, welcome.
How are you?
Fine.
We'll go here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Just arrived.
Just arrived.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
How are you, Kuya?
Fine, we're fine.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Busy day?
Yeah, not so much.
Not so much?
Yeah.
I think everyone is... Oh, I'll just put this bag down.
You can put your bag in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, here. Thank you. I think everyone is leaving for the weekend, right?
Yeah.
Going back to work?
Back to work. Some are also going to their place. One weekend.
Okay.
So what kind of bikes do you rent?
I'll turn this off for now, guys. We'll rent a motorcycle and then we'll be back. Thank you. Hello again. So I made it. I was able to rent this scooter. Pretty awesome. I have some time before I head off to my hotel, about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes until check-in. Check-in is at 2. So I found this amazing beach. There was a young man that came by earlier and said it was okay for me to chill out over here. I think he actually came down because he wanted to take a nap. There's a makeshift hammock, I think, bed, right? Where he would lay here and live the good life. He said he wanted to go fishing, but it's very hot right now. So beautiful. Look at how beautiful this is. Amazing. The water is so clear. It's actually quite warm also. So these are their fishing boats. I guess when the sun isn't so high in the sky, they'll come out here maybe later in the evening and try to go fishing, see what they can catch. So, oh, is that a sea urchin? Maybe. Maybe not. I'm sort of I'm scared to touch it. Oh. It's a sea urchin, but it's already eaten. Yeah, so he was saying they're gonna come back later this evening once the sun goes down and they'll be able to go fishing and catch some fish. So hopefully maybe they could sell them at the market or somewhere somewhere at their, it's called Sorry Store is what they say. So at their home they have a store that's built into their home. So whatever they catch, they're going to be able to possibly sell and make a few pesos, make a few money. Check out these old boats. Maybe they're not old. Maybe they're still using them. It is very, very hot here right now. In Fahrenheit, I think it's like 95. I don't know what that equates to in Celsius, but pretty awesome place. Boat launch, we would call it in America, where you can leave your boat. When you're ready to go, you can drop it in the water. So, short story about the motorcycle. When I left you guys, pretty awesome place. So it was actually quite fun. It was quite fun renting it. I was able to practice my Tagalog. They, you know, my negotiation tactics, right? So I was able to go in and he sat me down at a table. Basically, it was a few guys that, you know, they were showing me the scooters, and I was asking for something bigger, right? A little bit bigger, since I'm tall. I'm about 6'1". So I asked for something a little bit bigger. NMAX 155. So it was pretty cool. Yeah, they didn't need a whole lot of information. Just my US driver's license, which I made copies of before I came. Yeah, filled out a piece of paper, wrote my name down basically, and my driver's license number, and the date that today's date obviously, and the time, and then the time that I would return it. And I got a pretty awesome deal. It was he was showing me a smaller scooter at first, which was I don't know the make of it, but it was much smaller than this one here. And I think he said something like 300 pesos, which, forgive me, I'm terrible at math. I think that equates to, I know 500 is $10. So 300 would be a little less, like $8 per day. So asked for a larger one. He showed me this, and then we kind of negotiated. I practiced my Tagalog on him, and kuya, discount kuya. And you know, I took some pictures with him, you know, for his promotion. He has a lot of great reviews. Of course, my terrible memory, I'll have to post the location and the name of his business later. But we took some pictures, and yeah, we I was able to go. So pretty awesome deal. For this awesome Yamaha, I believe I rented it for 475 pesos per day. I got him all the way down to, or from, he originally wanted 600, and I got him down to 475 with my personality, my awesome personality skills. Very cool place. So there was one small problem though. When we left, or when I left, I was driving up the road and I wanted to put some gas, petrol they call it in the Philippines, and it was half a tank, so I figured I'd fill up, and I put gas in the scooter, and it the oil light came on. So I started panicking. Maybe something is wrong with it. So I went back and they said it's okay. It means it needs an oil change, but I just wanted them to look at it. But he ended up putting almost, in US standards, 1 quart of oil inside of it. So that's good, I guess. You know, I don't want the engine to end up malfunctioning while I go on my travels. But yeah, in about 15 minutes from now, it's probably going to take me 15 minutes to get there, I'll be checking into my hotel, which again, terrible at my memory. I think it is called Ocean Dive Resort, something along those lines. But yeah, we got the motorcycle, and we'll see you at the hotel, and then we'll go from there. We'll go on an adventure together. Okay, bye bye for now. To the backpack you go. Okay, all right. Okay, you stay here while we ride the motorcycle to the resort, and then I'll show you the hotel room.